So just real quick, I wanted to share. So this is my pod mic. I absolutely love it. Now, because it's an actual microphone, it's the microphone, of course, so you can't directly connect it to your computer. So what I have to do is I have to have a audio interface. So that is my audio interface over there. And you can see when I talk, the little green thing lights up. Hello. La, 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 la. So that is kind of my audio setup. And the reason why I did the audio interface is later on, if I wanted to, I could always update my audio setup. So yeah, so that is my audio setup. And but one more thing, you see how it's like in arm's reach? So my arm is fully extended. My microphone's right there. The reason why I did that is that way you don't hear the the putt sounds. So that is the reason why it's arm's reach. That way it's nice and clean. It's a clean audio. I absolutely love this microphone. It works really well. Welcome to the end of the video. Now go watch this video. Go watch the video. Click on it. Click on it. Click on the video. Go watch that video. Click on it. Click on the video.